Look at the weather. Storm doesn't hit Jamaica, but it's passing over. And we're getting a lot of rain. Okay, this is the little brush of the storm. Zeta or Zeta, anyone, I'm not sure. I don't remember the name, but this is the effect that we're getting here in Jamaica at this point. No one can cross it. Yep, it's a lot. Yep, we just came from the supermarket and trust me, I could barely see outside. I really pray for the drivers who are on the road that they may take caution, that they may reach home safely.